So this is Article 9, which is referendum. And in our Constitution, it reads, upon a petition by at least 1/3 of the eligible voters of the Oglala Sioux Tribe, or upon the request of a majority of the members of the Tribal Council, an enacted or proposed ordinance or resolution of the Council shall be submitted to popular referendum, and the vote of a majority of the qualified voters voting in such a referendum shall be conclusive and binding on the Tribal Council. And with that, a referendum, kind of what's just been asked in the community is maybe just spelling out or making this a little bit more specific, or even holding, it says conclusive and binding on Tribal Council. So a couple years ago, there was a referendum vote out about the passing of legalizing alcohol. And that's been a subject that's been talked about for the last couple years, on how the people voted yes on it, but yet they still haven't seen anything. It hasn't went any for anymore. It hasn't moved forward. So something in this section, maybe including like what that process will look like, and making it more specific. And with that is Article 9, referendum. We'll be moving on to Article 10.